Hi there, fellow tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to my channel, Zimist Coded. It's always a pleasure to have you here. Today, I've got something really interesting for you. Have you ever come across a stunning font in an image and wondered, what's the name of that font? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to identify fonts in images using a fantastic tool called WhatFontIs. It's a game changer for designers, developers, or anyone who appreciates the beauty of fonts. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what is WhatFontIs and why should you care? WhatFontIs is a web-based tool that can help you identify fonts in images quickly and accurately. Whether you're a graphic designer, web developer, or just someone with a passion for typography, this tool can be a real lifesaver. To get started, open your web browser and go to the WhatFontIs website. You can find it at www.whatfontis.com. Now, we're ready to upload the image with the font you want to identify. Click on the Upload an Image button. Make sure the image you choose is clear and contains the text with the font you're curious about. After uploading the image, you'll be asked to crop the specific text area that contains the font you want to identify. This step helps the tool focus on the relevant text. Next, you'll need to confirm the characters present in the selected text. Simply type them into the provided text box. This helps the tool recognize the font accurately. Once you've confirmed the characters, click Continue or Get the font. WhatFontIs will now analyze the image and provide a list of font suggestions that closely match the text in your image. Now, you'll see a list of font matches, including details like font name, similarity, and download or purchase links. This is where the magic happens. If you find a font that matches your image, you can either download it for free if available or follow the provided link to purchase it from a font provider. Keep in mind that font availability may vary. And there you have it. That's how you identify fonts in images using WhatFontIs. It's a powerful tool for font enthusiasts and professionals alike. I encourage you to give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and design related content. Thank you so much for being a part of this tutorial. Be sure to check out my other videos for more exciting programming and IT-related content. You can also connect with me on social media or visit my website for further engagement.